Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Welcome to all. Take a word make a sentence website once again. Which word I can take today? Yes, meet. Dear bro, you are supposed to meet with me. I know I was supposed to meet with you. Uh, Unfortunately, I can't meet with you. That's why I'm extremely sorry for that matter. No, bro, it was very important meet. Why didn't you meet with me? I know that was very important meet with you. Please believe me, I forgot. Unfortunately, I forgot. That's why I can't meet with you. Meet with you. Day after tomorrow, I will meet with you. Inshallah. I don't believe you, brother. Please don't say again like this. Please believe me. I don't speak lie. You know that I don't speak lie. I went to the market. That's why I forgot. Which market you went? I went to the dead market. If you don't believe me, I will show you. I had to buy date. That's why I went to the date market. Okay, I have understood. And at this time, I believe. I'm really happy because you believe me. That's why I'm really happy. And please don't say again, I speak lie. Because it's totally forbidden to speak lie. Not only for me, everyone. If you speak lie, day by day we will be a bad guy. That's why we have to careful about lie. And as you know, I'm an English learner. I'm practicing every single day, and this only for practicing purpose, not another things. Okay, dear bro, just carry on. If I wanna speak English, we have to speak with others. I know you have to speak with others, but we don't have any environment who will speak with you. Yes, you are right. We don't have a good environment where we can speak English with others. That's why we have to speak with yourself, dear bro. Okay, I am trying and I'm practicing and I'm talking with myself because I have to learn. That's why I am talking with myself. Day by day, we will be able to make an environment. That environment will be everybody will speak English, and we have to wait for that time because it's very difficult. Uh, we want to speak English, but we start and we speaking 2 day or 3 day, 1 week or 2 month or 6 month. After that we forgot. It's a very big problem. We have to carry on. After that we will be able to make a good environment. Okay. If Almighty want, see you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.